Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Education by Sri Gogoi once again. Today we will discuss about class 10 chapter number 3 pair of linear equations in two variables. In the previous video I was discussed about concept of pair of linear equations in two variables. Please watch the concept of pair of linear equations in two variables video. Now proceed to the exercise 3.2 question number 1 Roman number 1. Question number 1 is from the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. Means at first we need to make two equations from the given equation or given question and next solve it graphically. Question number 1 is 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. How many students are there? That is 10 students. If the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys, number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. Next, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Means find the number of boy and girl. So question number 1. Roman number 1. At first write, let number of girl be x. Number of girl be x. Number of girl be x. And then number of boy will be y, because our chapter name is linear equation in two variables, so two variables required. So therefore and number of boy be y, number of girl be x and number of boy be y. According to question, x plus y equal 10. How many students in the class? 10 students. That is girl plus boy equal 10 students. And question said and x equal, means question said number of girl is 4 more than number of boy. So at first I wrote girl equal boy, but it's not equal, wrong or not? So give plus 4 with the boy. Now see, number of girl and number of boy both are equal. So it's right as an equation, already in the equation, just transfer to left side. X minus y equal 4. This is given equation number 1 and it's given equation number, equation number 2. Now find the value of this x and y, means coordinates, and plot on the graph and find the number of girl and boy. To find or plot to plot on the graph paper, at first make table. First equation implies x plus y equal 10. Therefore you can write as x equal 10 minus y. Now make a table. 3 coordinates sufficient, x and y. 3 coordinates sufficient. So at first 1 coordinate, 2 coordinate, total 3 coordinates. Say y value, any value. You can plot 4 and see y value 4, then 10 minus 4, answer is 6. Next plot y value 5, 5. 10 minus 5, 5. Next y value 6, then 10 minus 6, answer 4. We got 3 coordinates for the first equation. 6, 4, 5, 5 and 4, 6. Next. Equation number 2 is x minus y equal 4. X minus y equal 4. Then x, y transfer to right side. Then 4, y transfer, minus transfer to right side. So plus y. Now find out any 3 coordinates from the given equation. X, y. Now at y place you plot any value. 1, 2, 3, 4, any value. And find the x coordinates. 3 coordinates sufficient. So at first y value 0, then 4 plus 0, answer is 4. Next y value 1, then 4 plus 1, 5. Next y value 2, 4 plus 2, answer 6. Now see, from the given equation, means equation number 2, we got 3 coordinates, 4, 0, 5, 1 and 6, 2. Now all coordinates plot on the same graph paper and they will intersect at a point. That intersecting point, find out that point's coordinate. That coordinate x value will be number of girl and y value will be number of boy. Clear point? Okay, I will enclose this questions graph in this video. Now proceed to question number 2. Question number 2 is See, in question number 2.1, there are two equations given. From the given equations, we need to find the both equations means lines intersect at one point or intersect at many points or not intersect. That means parallel. In the first video, means concept of pair of linear equation in two variables, I was explained about consistent, inconsistent, intersect, not intersect, all points. Okay, now we need to find the given two lines intersect or not. See, first condition, if two equations given a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0, if any two equations given, these are the general form, then number one is if a1 by a2 is not equal b1 by b2. If a1 by a2 value is not equal b1 by b2, then intersect at one point. Intersect at one point. Intersect at one point. If a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 equal c1 by c2, means a1 by a2 value is equal with b1 by b2 value equal with c1 by c2, then coincident. Coincident meaning infinite number of solutions. Next, if a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 but not equal c1 by c2, a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 but not equal c1 by c2, then no intersecting point, that is called parallel lines. Parallel line. Okay, now we need to observe from the given equation which one condition satisfying, which one, 1, 2 or 3. Now see, here this one is called a1 value, it is called a1 value, it is called a2 value, this one is called with minus symbol, okay, b1, it is called b2, c1 and c2. Now a1 by a2 value, a1 by a2 value 5 by 7, 5 by 7. Next, final b1 by b2 value, b1 by b2 value, see the b1 value minus 4, and b2 value is 6. Now convert to simplest form, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 6, that means minus 2 by 3. Now see, a1 by a2 value is 5 by 7 and b1 by b2 value is minus 2 by 3. Are they equal? No, a1 by a2 is not equal b1 by b2. If a1 by a2 is not equal b1 by b2, then which one condition satisfying? See, condition number 1. That means two lines or two equations intersect at one point. Similarly, we need to solve question number 3. Question number 3 is again which one condition satisfying? 1, 2 or 3. Okay, at first find out their value. a1 by a2 6 by 2 equal 3. Next, b1 by b2, b1 value see minus 3, b1 value, b2 value minus 1, cancel, then answer is 3. See, we got a1 by a2 and b1 b2 both values are equal. If both are equal, then observe c1 by c2 value. c1 by c2 equal 10 by 9. See, a1 by a2 value 3, b1 by b2 value 3 and c1 by c2 value 10 by 9. Are they equal? No, already I said they are not equal. If not equal, then they are only satisfying which one? Point number 3 I said. So right, therefore two lines are parallel. Okay, now proceed to question number 3. Now in question number 3, we need to find the given equations are consistent or inconsistent. Consistent meaning, in the last video means concept of this chapter, I said if two lines intersect at one point or many points, then it is called consistent. If not intersect, then it is called inconsistent. Means not intersect meaning parallel, only one point is parallel or not. Therefore, the parallel point is called inconsistent and other 2 points are called consistent point. See, If a1 by a2 is not equal b1 by b2, then intersect at one point, so it is consistent. It is consistent. Again, a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2. That means infinite number of solutions. That means consistent. Consistent, this one. And now the third condition is a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2, but not equal c1 by c2. If not equal c1 by c2, then both lines are parallel. If two lines are parallel, then they have no intersecting point. That means inconsistent. Inconsistent. Okay? That means we need to observe these three conditions. Now question number 1. 3 by thrice x plus twice y equal 5. Twice x minus thrice y equals 7. See, the general form. In the general form, all terms, x term, y term and constant term, all terms are in the left side. On right side only 0. So make in that format. See, thrice x plus twice y, 5 transfer to left side. And the second equation is twice x minus thrice y minus 7 equal 0. See, now they are in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0. And similarly, in the second equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. Now we need to observe a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. See, a1 by a2, 3 by 2, 3 by 2, done. Next, b1 by b2, b1 by b2, 2 by minus 3, 2 by minus 3. Are they equal? It is positive number, and this one negative number. Positive and negative never equal. So we got first condition. Which one satisfying? Condition number 1. Therefore consistent. Therefore two lines are consistent. Next, number 3. See, again same condition. See, right side c value given, transfer to left side. Then 3 by 2 x plus 5 by 3 y minus 7 equals 0. And the second equation is 9x minus 10y minus 14 equal 0. See, they are in the general format. Okay. Now find out a1 by a2 value. a1 by a2. a1 value 3 by 2. 3 by 2. a2 value 9. Then 3 by 2 into 1 by 9. Then 3 times 1 by 6. We got a1 by a2 value 1 by 6. Next, b1 by b2 value. b1 by b2. Then b1 value 5 by 3 and b2 value minus 10. Then 5 by 3 and minus 10. Then 5 by 3 into 1 by minus 10. 5 to the 1 by minus 6. Again same condition with one positive, another one is negative. Positive, negative, always unequal. If unequal, then a1 by 2 not equal b1 by b2. Therefore two lines are consistent. Why? Because a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2. You can write as since a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2, therefore two lines are consistent. Here you can write since a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2. Same or not? If intersect, then consistent. If not intersect, then inconsistent. Okay. Now question number 4 is the given two equations are consistent or inconsistent. If consistent, then plot on the graph paper and find their solutions. If inconsistent, then no need to solve or no need to plot on the graph paper. Now question number 4.1. X plus y equal 5 and twice x plus twice y equal 10. Now first question is the given two equations are consistent or not. See, x plus y, 5 transfer to left side, same with previous question. And here this one, twice x plus twice y minus 10 equal 0. Now find out a1 by a2 value. Here a1 by a2 equal 1 by 2. 1 by 2, that means half. Again b1 by b2 value, b1 by b2 value, c1 by 2, that means again half. Next c1 by c2 value, c1 by c2, minus 5 by minus 10, minus 5 by minus 10, minus minus cancel, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. Again answer is half. Now observe a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. All answers all are equal. That means a1 by a2 equal, b1 by b2 equal, c1 by c2. If a1 by a2 equal, b1 by b2 equal, c1 by c2, then the both lines are coincident. Coincident meaning one line on the other. Therefore, two lines are coincident. Two lines are coincident. And now we need to plot on the graph. Okay, I will draw the graph and close with this video. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is again same question, consistent or inconsistent. See here a1 by a2, here a1 by a2 equal a1 value 2 and 4, a1 value 2 and a2 value 4. Then answer is again we got half because 2 1s are 2 2s are. Next b1 by b2 value, b1 by b2 value 1 by minus 2, 1 by minus 2. Are they equal? See, this one is positive and this one is negative. If a1 by a2 is not equal b1 by b2, then what? Then consistent, that means intersect at one point. Since a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2, therefore two lines intersect at, therefore two lines are not intersecting, yes intersecting, but they want consistent or inconsistent. So therefore two lines are consistent. Two lines are consistent. Next we need to plot on the graph paper. Okay, I will draw again. I will draw this one, means I will draw two graphs and close with this video. Now question number 5 is half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meters more than its width is 36 meters. That means a rectangular garden given, its length is 4 meters more than its breadth, and the half of the perimeter is 36 meters. Now question is find the dimensions of the garden. That means find the length and breadth of the garden. Okay, half the perimeter is 36, length is 4 meters more than its breadth. Next question is find the value of length and breadth. That means find their dimensions. Okay, question number 5, let length of the garden be x. Length of the garden be x and width of the garden be y. Okay, next question said half the perimeter is 36. According to question, 2 into L plus B, we know 2 into length plus breadth, it is called perimeter of a rectangle. Half means divided by 2 is 36, is means equal 36. Next we can cancel 2 with 2, then length is denoted by x and breadth is denoted by y, equal 36. Give equation number 1. And the second condition is length is 4 more than its breadth. At first scenario length equal breadth, but they are not equal, so add 4 with breadth. Now they are equal. Next question is we need to find the value of x and y, that means length and breadth. So this one give equation number 2. Next equation 1 implies, see, x value we can plot as y plus 4, y plus 4 plus again y equal 36. Next y how many times? 2 times, y plus y, answer is twice y, and 36 plus y plus 4 transfer to right side, then it is minus 4, then twice y equal 32. Next find the value. Here y equal 2 transfer to right side, then 32 divided by 2, that means 16. Meter or centimeter depends on question. Question said perimeter is 36 meter, so y equal 16 meter. Next Y value plot in equation number 1 or 2, anyone? Okay, I will plot in equation number 2. 2 is x equal y value 16 plus 4. That means 20. We got x value 20. Therefore, length equal 20 meter and breadth equal 16 meter. Therefore, length equal 20 meter, or length of the rectangular garden equal 20 meter and breadth of the rectangular garden equal 16 meter. That is the answer. Now question number 6 is one equation given, twice x plus thrice y minus 8 equal 0. Now we need to make the second equation and they will satisfy condition number 1 intersecting, next condition number 2 parallel, and condition number 3 coincident. That means one equation given. Now we need to make the second equation and they will, at first according to question number 1, they will satisfy intersecting point, and for the question number 2 parallel condition, and third coincident condition. See, intersecting meaning if a1 by a2 is not equal b1 by b2. If a1 by a2 is not equal b1 by b2, then we know that the given two lines intersect at one point. So the first equation given, twice x plus thrice y minus 8, then a1 value 2, if a1 value 2 and b1 value 3 and c1 value minus 8. Now we want a2 value, b2 value, okay, and their results will be not equal. See, can we plot as a2 value 3, okay, any value 3, then see the answer, a1 by a2 equal 2 by 3. Next, b1 by b2 value not equal because intersecting, so we want a different answer. That means, can we plot as 5, b2 value 5, then see b1 by b2 equal 3 by 5. Now see, a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2 or not. It's satisfying condition number 1. C1, C2 value you can plot any value. Okay, I plot 5. Okay, so this intersecting point equation is, these are value. A2 value means thrice x plus 5y plus 5 equal 0. Now condition number 2 is parallel. When two lines are parallel, if a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 but not equal c1 by c2. a1 by a2 value is equal with b1 by b2 but not equal c1 by c2. See, a1 by a2, okay, a2 I plot here 4, 2 by 4, answer is half. Again I want here half, that means I plot 2 double 4, 3 double 6. Then 2 by 4 means a1 by a2 equal 2 by 4, that means half, and b1 by b2 value 3 by 6, again half. Or not, they are equal but not equal c1 by c2. So for the c1 by c2 we don't want half, so c1 by c2 will I wrote 9. Now see, 8 by 9 means not half or not, that means satisfying parallel condition. So write the equation, this one as 4x plus 6y plus 9 equal 0. Okay, next condition number 3, coincident. When two lines are coincident, coincident meaning one line on the other. When if a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 equal c1 by c2, all answers are same. Okay, same with question number 2, we will plot same value. Okay, see, I plot 4, I plot 6, 2 by 4 half, 3 by 6 half, then c2 equal, its double is minus 16. Now see, a1 by a2 equal 2 by 4 means half, b1 by b2 3 by 6 means half, c1 by c2 minus minus cancel, 8 by 16, 8 to the 16 or not, all are equal, that means they are satisfying this condition. So the equation is this one, 4x plus 6y minus 16 equal 0. Clear point? Now proceed to last question number 7. Question number 7 is, see, two equations given. Now from the both equation we need to make coordinates, next plot on the graph paper, and that the given two lines will intersect each other and they will form a triangle with x-axis. They will form a triangle with x-axis. Now the question is, write the coordinates of the triangle, that means vertices of the triangle. Two equations given. From the given equations we need to find the coordinates. Next, plot on the graph paper, and the given two lines will intersect at one point or not. See, 1/3, answer 1/3. -1/2 means -7. They are not equal. If a1/a2 not equal b1/b2, then they will intersect at one point. That means these two lines will intersect at one point and they will form a triangle with x-axis. Now question is, set the triangle and write the vertices of the forming triangle. Okay, next, write as equation number 1 and this one as equation number 2. Now equation number 1 implies x minus y plus 1 equal 0. This one equation. Next, x equal y transfer 1 transfer to right side, y minus 1. Next, I say always I'm saying same point, 3 coordinates sufficient to draw the graph. Okay, y value 2, 2 minus 1, 1, y value 3, 3 minus 1, 2, y value 4, 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, for the first equation we got 3 coordinates. Now for the second equation, equation number 2 implies thrice x plus twice y minus 12 equal 0. Then thrice x equal, transfer to right side, 12 minus twice y. Minus 12, transfer plus 12, plus 12 or plus twice y, transfer minus twice y. So we can say as x equal 12 minus twice y by 3. 12 minus twice y by 3. Now we want some coordinates, means 3 coordinates. Okay, make a table. X and y, 3 coordinates sufficient. Okay, first coordinate, at first I plot y value 0. See, 2 into 0, 0. 12 by 3 means 4. 4 is a 12. Next I plot here 3. See, 2 3 is a 6. 12 minus 6, 6. 6 by 3 means 2. Next I plot 6. 2 6 is 12. 12 minus 12, 0. 0 by 3, 0. I got 3 coordinates. Okay. Now both equations coordinates plot on the same graph paper like this. We plot and they will intersect at a point. This line is called x-axis or not. It is called y-axis. It is x-axis. This one's y-axis. They will form a triangle like this. They will form a triangle. Let triangle name P, Q and R. P, Q and R. Now we need to write the coordinate of P, next Q and R. Right, the coordinate is this coordinate. This one P, Q and R. We need to write the coordinates of P, Q and R. That is your answer. Okay, I will draw the graph of this question and I will enclose with the video. Okay, then this much for today. Thank you, and in the next class we will discuss about substitution method. Okay, thank you.